Hello guys, today I am going to share with you how to private and delete an Instagram account. Firstly, you will open your Instagram account. After that, click on profile and click on menu bar. Then click on settings. Then click on privacy. Now first option is private account. You will enable private account section. Click on enable button. There are some important text about private account. First is only your friends will be able to see your photo and videos. Second is this won't change who can tag and mention your message. And finally click on switch to private account. So this notification is saying won't review your followers, cancel. Now your Instagram account has been successfully private. After that, go to back step, then click on account and go to bottom of the page. So here delete options is not showing in the bottom because of some technical issue. You will follow same process for deleting Instagram account. Thanks for watching.